So, good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So, I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Confirm everyone, yes or no? Confirm. Okay then. So, we start off with exercise 7.2, which basically deals with section formula. Clear? Now, what is section formula? Can anybody tell me? Supposing we have a line out here, A, B. Clear? If you have a line out here, A, B, such as A coordinate is x1, comma y1, and B's coordinate is x2, comma y2, and this line is divided by this point such that this point is x, comma y in the ratio of m is to n. Clear? Then, if these two are given, then this x will be given as mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma y coordinate will be given by similar to x, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Did everybody understand what needs to be given and how it needs to be find out? Yes or no? Everybody please write this topic, section formula, draw this figure and write this thing fast. People are coming in installments. People please join on time. 6 minutes late, students are coming. Now I have told the section formula. Kindly draw this figure. This is the starting of exercise 7.2. Let me know when the copying is done. Sorry? Just a moment. Actually, section formula is used for finding the sectioned point. Over here, P is dividing A and B, right? So P has cut a section of A and B. So in order to find this coordinate when these two are given, we use section formula. Clear? Yes, sir. This was Substitution, right? Finally, I recognize with you all by your voices. I think that's a great achievement for me. Done? Can we move on? Yes, sir. Make sure you draw the figure also side by side. It helps you remembering things in a much better manner. Joya Rishi. He's not Joy Rishi, he's Joya Rishi, but he's coming late. You have to be joyful, right? So, can you move on to the first question? I think people have already copied it. So, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of this and this. You see out here, this is A, let this be A, let this be B. In the ratio of m is to n is given as 2 is to 3. Can anybody find it? You have to find x and y. This is A, this is B. Clear? Did you understand by the figure what you need to find out? Yes or no? Confirm. Yes, sir. So find it, hurry up. Your m is to n is 2 is to 3. You want more simplification? This is our x1 comma y1. This is our x2 comma y2. You have to find x comma y. You have to assume this thing, okay? Let point P be x comma y. Let point A and B be such and such. And then given m is to n is 2 is to 3. Now you have to find x and y. Kindly hurry up. Let's see who tells me the answer first. Only the coordinates in the chat box. Only the coordinates in the chat box. No coordinates yet. Hurry up, hurry up. What has happened to 9D? Sorry, 10D. You have to mention all the required things over here. Okay, I've got the first answer. Surya Sarkar 1,3. Very good, Surya. Anyone else? Triti, Praday, Gopal, Saptarishi. 1,3. Purushoto, Sheel, Debashish, Chirandit, Agnik 1,3. Larry, Deep. Everyone has the answer. Very good, everyone. 1,3. Clear? First, make sure you have to write the formulas and then you have to apply it. Formulas are not written out here. Make sure you write the formulas first. Clear? Now comes a very interesting question. Can we move on to the next one? Confirm, please. Yes or no? Most of you have given the answers. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Question number 2 says find the coordinates of the points of trisection of this segment. This is point A over here. 4, -1. Listen to it very carefully. This is point B out here, -2, -3. Can anybody tell me what does this trisection mean for this line segment A and B? Yes? There are 3 sections, right? So 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Now, is this line divided into 3 sections now? Let the 2 points be P and Q. Simple, right? So, in order to find P, can anybody tell me what will be the ratio of M is to N? This is for P. Very good. 1 is to 2. And M is to N for finding Q will be 2 is to 1. Right? 2 is to 1. Did everybody understand how will you proceed with this numerical for finding point P? You forget point Q now. You write for P, M is to N will be in the ratio of 1 is to 2 and point A and point B as such. Clear? Make sure you draw this figure. Hurry up. Do it. I hope students have understood what does trisection mean and how will you proceed with this numerical. Yes, no, yes, no. Good. Draw this figure and proceed with this numerical. Let's see who can give me the coordinates for P. You can. Sorry?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Acha, you did not understand. This line is trisected. Clear? Trisected means 3 equal parts they have been divided. Clear? So, forget this point Q now. You need the ratios, right? P. You see over here P. Is this 1 and is this 2 part? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, will for point P, M is to N will be 1 is to 2? Yes or no? For point P, P is dividing AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2, right? And Q is dividing AB in the ratio of, see, 1 part, 2 part. So, M is to N for finding Q will be 2 is to 1. Agreed or not? Understood? You keep Q aside now. Keep Q aside, find P. Okay? For P, your M is to N will be 1 is to 2. Hurry up. Now clear? Gopal?
Yes, sir.
This is Gopal's voice. No, see, again I remember your voice. And that's, I think, again a great achievement for me. I have forgotten everybody's face, trust me. I don't remember anybody's face. I only remember your voices. So next time when we meet in our normal physical class, and if you talk, then without even seeing at you, I can tell who's talking. We'll try out this stunt in my class. Clear? Find P, P, P. Who can tell me P fast? Oh, I think I've got one answer. Bodhisattva. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. If you have found P, go on to find Q. Go on to find Q. Excuse me. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, everyone. Larry, Surya, Saptarishi, Trideep, Chiranjit, Debashish, Sheel. They have become very slow, fast. Tritish has answered, Agnik has answered. Point P looks alright, very good. Point P, it's correct. Move on to point Q now. Again, consider M is to N as 2 is to 1. Make sure the figures are drawn. Drawing the figures will always fetch you good concept clearance. Okay. 0 comma minus 7 by 3, very good. I have got two students who have exactly told the values for P and Q. Your P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and point Q is 0 comma 7 by 3. How many have completely understood this numerical? I want Gopal to answer. Gopal, did you completely understand this numerical? Take your time and complete P and Q's coordinate. I'll pause the video for you. Chalo then. Now this is a long question. Let's see how many students can make me understand this question. Hurry up, read it. What do you understand from this question? I just want to know that. Come on, anyone? So we'll start off the question 13. Sorry, 3. Can anybody tell me it was 13 minutes, not 30? So, yes, anyone want to explain this question? This is flag hoisting competition. Clear? Now, ABCD is a ground. Lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Clear? 100 flower pots has been placed at a distance of 1 meter. So after 1 meter, 100 flower plots have been placed. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? And then again in the figure, Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. This is A. This is D. Okay? 100 such power plots are here. She has run 1/4 of the distance. And on the second line, posts a green flag. Preeti runs 1/5 of the distance AD. Okay? This is Preeti. She runs 1/5 of the distance AD. On the 8th line, posting a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? What is the distance between both the flags now? She'll be posting it out here. She'll be posting it out here. What is the actual distance? Look very carefully out here. Given instruction 1/4 of the distance AD means 25 from the starting point. Yes or no? Therefore, should be the coordinate for the first girl. This first girl names is the name of the first girl. Where is it? Niharika? Right? Sorry, Rashmi is the first girl, right? Who is the first girl? Niharika. Clear? So the first girl's actual coordinates will be 2, 5. Yes or no? 2, 25. Similarly for Preeti, it's 1/5 of the distance. Therefore, it will be 20. 8, 20. Do you all agree? X coordinate and the 20 is the Y coordinate. Yes or no? Confirm everyone. So you just been asked the distance between this point and this point. Yes or no? Tell. Can we calculate the distance? Tell me the distance between these 2 points. Did everybody understand what is this 1/4 of 100, 1/5 of 100? Please confirm yes or no. Hurry up, students. Saptarishi Agnik, Larry, Surya, Gopal, Sheel. You've just been asked to calculate the distance between the two flags, right? So, see, what is the distance between both the flags? So it's simple, 2, 25 and 8, 20. You've been asked to calculate the distances between these 2 points. I hope people remember the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yes or no? Tell me the distance. Distance 61, root 61. How many have got root 61? Very good. Now, the second part of the question, see, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the flags. Another interesting part, she has to post a blue flag line segment joining exactly in the midpoint, right? So, do you know the point for the midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2, merely finding the mean between the 2 points, right? The 2 points are this and this. Can you find the midpoint? 2 plus 8, see, 2 plus 8 by 2 and 25 plus 20 by 2. Clear? So this is, sorry? 5 by 45 by 2, this is the coordinate. So she should exactly post the blue flag at a distance of 45 by 2, right? Which is 22.5 meter on the 5th line. Did everybody understand this properly? This x coordinate is the 5th line and 45 by 2 is the distance, you know, this distance. 45 by 2, this around here, 22.5. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Please confirm yes or no. Debashish, Anantajit, Joy Rishi, Pratoy, Tridip, Surya. Is the copying part done? Has everyone completed this numerical? I'll pause the video for you all to complete this numerical exactly. Let me know when it's done. Now, moving on to the next one. All this while we were finding the coordinates, right? This is A, this is B. Apne ko we have to find the coordinates. Clear? But now, this coordinate has been given to us, and now we have to find the ratio for m is to n. Clear? This point has been given to us. This is A, this is B, and this is the point where it's been sectioning the line segment AB. Understood? So in this type of numerical, you'll always assume m is to n as k is to 1. Some people assume that lambda is to 1. Whatever you feel like you can assume. And then you have to solve it using the formula. I'll remove this. So this 2 has been given. Again, you will be using the formula for x coordinate. If this is x comma y, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Instead of m and n, you will put k plus 1. Clear? K plus 1 out here, k and 1. And then this x coordinate will be minus 1. क्लियर? यस और नो? उसके बाद y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Please confirm if this one is clear to everyone or not. Please yes or no. This type of question is VVI. What does VVI mean? Yes. And what does VVI mean? It means V cube I. What? How much are very cube important? Chalo, chalo, no problem. What does IV means? What does RI means? RI. What does RI mean? Anyone? Chalo, chalo, we'll focus on this first. This is y coordinate. You'll substitute 6 out here, and m and n ke jagah input k and 1. You'll see automatically you'll be getting the value for k as 2 by 5, 3 by 5, whatever. Okay, proceed with this. You have to assume let m is to n be in the ratio of this. Exact this line has to be written. Start off, everyone. And what does RI means? Tell me. Question number 4. Who is this? Saptarishi. Who told this answer? Saptarishi. I'm impressed, Saptarishi. This is equal to B. You are always remembering IR. You forget RI. Is voltage. Chalo, ठीक है. Now listen up. Today's homework will be question number 4 and question number 5. Clear? I'll stop the recording.